Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to put banners on the website. So inside of the Google Drive folder, which I would have to share, we have DM Graphics Workspace. This is going to be Doug Mole, who does the graphics for us. And he makes all the banners like this. As soon as the banners come in, they go into this area where we all get an email. And as soon as we're done posting them, they get put into one of the folders, either posted web, which is going to be website banners, posted radio would be a radio ad, Google My Business, Facebook, or display ads. Then this space is kept clean. So Joel is currently working on posting these right now. So what I did is I downloaded already Volkswagen Louisiana right here, which I've already done, but you'll download the ones you're working on. And then in the web browser, you're going to go to that particular website's backend tool. So Ray Brandt Volkswagen, and you'll notice that you have all these bookmarked already on your favorites list when you're logged in as Ray Brandt GM. And the credentials will already be there to log in. So when you log into the back end of a website, they're all going to look the same. They're going to look exactly like this. So on the left side, you're going to notice there's two types of slides. There's DI, which is Dealer Inspire Slides, and then there's Slides. This is no longer a version that's supported or used, so you're always going to be working inside of DI Slides when it comes time for banners. We'll click this guy right here, and on the inside you'll notice we've got what's currently live on the website. So I'm going to go up to Ray Brandt Volkswagen, and I'm going to open the website in a different view just so I can show you where these are populating. Now if you're ever uncertain of where something is showing up, just go up here and visit the site in a new tab, and you'll be able to check out the website and see exactly where they're showing up. So the banners are going to be right here. And you'll notice the ones that we have are already posted right in there. So in order to post new banners there, you're going to work right in this area, and typically when you log in it'll be the end of the month. So when you log in you'll see a bunch of stuff in draft mode. So what I'm going to do is turn this into draft mode so it looks like what you would typically see when you log in. So any deleted banners, anything that says draft, you want to check off. And let's pretend all of these are in draft mode. And you're going to move them to the trash. Then you're going to create a new special. So I'm just going to pretend like we haven't done this yet. And we'll call this Specials 1. Hey, quiet. Specials 1, and for these we're going to be working inside of the Volkswagen 1600 by 500 slider. Set the slider, and we're going to be using an image instead of a video. Choose the image that you want to use. So in this case, I would go to my downloads folder, and I would just upload all of these images right now into the library. Once you upload them, you'll see them populate here. So here is the first one, the Jetta Special. We want to make sure we put in alt text. This is for SEO purposes, and it can say whatever the car is, special, for example, Jetta Special. And we want to hit select. That'll load a normal version and a mobile version. If you get an error here, you can just ignore it. It will be irrelevant. We'll go ahead and click on New Jettas, since that's the banner we just posted, the Jetta. And we're just going to take this URL where all those Jettas are located and paste it into the slide URL. If someone clicks on this banner, it's going to take them right to the Jettas. You can leave this blank, 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 all the way on down to the very bottom, you're blank. And then you're going to want to set an expiration date, which is the last day these are going to be visible on the website. If you're not sure, you can look in the banner. Now you may have to open it on a normal computer to see, but there's the expiration date right there. So we want to match that on the bottom, July 1st, 2020. And then you're going to click the Publish button. So Specials 1, the Jetta, is now published. So here's a little trick that you can roll through on. So now we're going to click copy to a new draft. Same thing but blank. We'll change it to number 2. We'll remove out the image that was already there and then just put in our second one. Boom, right there. That's the Passat special. Select that and voila. Now you can either A, go up here and grab the Passat, or once you get familiar with it, you might just edit the text. You've already got your expiration date because you copied it over to a new one, and then you're going to publish again. We'll go back to all slides, enter, and in this case I've already got number 1 now in there again, so I'm going to take this guy and this guy. These are our old ones, and I am going to move them to the trash, the ones that I just did, and I'm just going to reactivate the one that was already out there. This is a quick edit, which just allows me to change statuses pretty quick. So that is how you do banners, the banners from Dugmo that will show up on the home page right here inside of the back end of the Dealer Inspire website.